John Williams was without question the most successful of contemporary movie composers, and certainly one of the most prolific. In many respects, the Star Wars score represented a more conservative, even romantic approach to scoring than the more forward-looking music for Jaws. As Williams had noted, George Lucas felt that since the picture was so original and so highly different in all of its physical orientations, creatures unknown, places unseen, and noises unheard of, that the music should be on a fairly familiar emotional level. Many viewers have found musical and dramatic echoes of Richard Wagner's Ring of the Nibelungen series in the cycle of Star Wars movies created by Williams and George Lucas.